Well, the living room is the first to get cold when the heat turns off, and it just seems to always be a chillier part of the house, and we spend most of our time here.
Up to half the energy used in your home goes to heating and cooling. That's what makes insulation and air sealing such an important step in this home energy makeover.
What we're going to recommend is a product that's going to stop air movement, resist moisture, or manage moisture mostly.
There are several types of insulation on the market.
So you want products that resist radiant heat gain loss.
It's important to use insulation with a high enough R value, or thermal resistance.
Typically an R50 is going to be pretty good for most of the state.
However, insulation is only half the job.
You can put all the insulation in you want in the world, but if the air goes right past it, the insulation is not going to do anything. And conversely, you can seal a house up very tight, but it doesn't have any insulation, then the heat's going to just transmit right through.
A blower door test helps crews discover where leaks are. An infrared camera may be used as well.
Where we're going to typically look is all the big mechanicals. The chaseways for the plumbing are there. If you have drop soffits in your kitchen area, your bathroom, your plumbing stacks that need to be done, and of course your chimney that runs from your basement.
In the attic, air sealing not only saves energy and money, it can eliminate ice dams and control moisture that leads to mold. It's usually pretty easy to spot air leaks if you have fiberglass insulation.
The air moves through fiberglass, and what you're going to see in those areas is the fiberglass is going to turn dark. A lot of people think it's mold, but it's really not.
In Brian's home, insulation is blown into the attic and foam sprayed onto the basement sill boxes and walls.
Definitely going to make the basement and the rest of the house much more comfortable.
Crews are also addressing a leak in the bathroom.
In the area of these houses, typically what they did when they put bathtubs in up against outside walls, they just stuck it against the outside wall so cold air comes in underneath your tub. So if you always got cold feet when you're taking a shower, that's why.
Once the insulation project is complete, many homeowners are surprised by how little their furnace actually runs. Melaine Wells, Channel 5 News, De Pere.